All right, what's up everybody? Hey guys, doing things back at it again. Today we're gonna do an unboxing and first flight of my new DJI Avata 2. Okay, so for those who know me, I've been flying drones for a little while now. This is actually my third DJI drone, but my first virtual headset drone. So I'm super curious on how fun or how hard it's gonna be to fly this compared to the other one where I use my cell phone. I'll do a size comparison with my Mavic Pro versus the Avata 2, and then we'll open it up and see what's all in here. So first off, you hear my dogs in the background. We got some new flooring there. That's why you hear their nails just clickety-clacking all throughout the house, but don't mind them. All right, so first off, look, got a pouch in here. Let me pull this out. Okay, so pretty much just got a pouch. And we'll open this up. Okay, nice little DJI on the little right there. Oh, so okay, nice little added little detail to the bag, so you know your stuff is real. Okay, so as we open it up, all right, so first thing we got right here is, looks like we got the drone. All right, so yeah, as you can see, that's my hand versus how big the drone is. It's super light, yeah, super light. We'll do a side-by-side comparison of my current drone versus my new one. Next, what do we have here? Looks like we have the headset. Okay, that's pretty cool. So I've been doing a lot of research about this headset, so I know one of the things I was thinking is, like, if you got this on, you can't see around you, but it actually has these two lenses here where you can actually see what's around you while you're still flying the drone. So that's pretty cool. Got plenty of padding. Okay, comes with extra padding. All right, so we'll see about that. Next, oh, look, it lit up. I must accidentally hit the power button. But it's the remote. So compared to my normal old remote, it's like with the joysticks, this is just a little, almost like a trigger. Yep. So I don't know if you have real big hands, this might be interesting on how to fly it, but we'll see. Right now it doesn't feel too bad, feels pretty good in the hand. We'll see. All right. And then looks like we got some batteries, because I bought the Fly More combo kit. So with the Fly More combo kit, it comes with 3 total batteries. Comes with 1 already in the drone, and then 2 actually in the charging station. So this is a charging hub. You can put 3 batteries in there. Then that looks like all out of the main compartment, but in here, I believe we have like some extra props, some propellers. Yep, some extra blades, charging cable, extra propellers, some DJI stickers, some instructions, and a cable to connect your phone to your drone for the first kind of flight. And it's looking like it has some lens covers. Let's see. DJI definitely did a great job of packaging. Yep, yeah, some lens protectors. So kind of to protect your drone lens. So obviously you peel that off. So now here we have both of my drones. This was my second drone I bought. This was my Mavic Pro. And okay, as you can see, the Mavic Pro, as it's folded up compared to the Avata 2, I mean, they're pretty much the same size. Okay, this is still way lighter and it has prop guards on it, and that's with the battery in it. The Mavic Pro, once you fully open it up and get it in flight mode, as you can see, there's a little bit of a size difference. Then also with the Mavic Pro, I have to use my phone as the screen. Okay, I have to use that, and it comes with the remote, but you have to use your phone to look at it through the camera. With the Avata 2, you just have this little joystick remote, which you can buy the toggle switches, the traditional flight controller. And then you have, like say you have your headset. So with the headset, you can feel like you're inside the drone flying it versus looking down at your phone. You're just you're looking right through the lenses and you can see exactly where you're going. All right, what up y'all? Hey, it's the next day. I spent last night getting everything set up on the drone. So I got it all programmed. I got my new DJI Care, because just in case I crash it, I can send it back, get it repaired for a lot cheaper than buying a whole new drone. So I definitely recommend that. But as you can see, I brought the drone out. We're about to get the first official flight outside. I'm not gonna lie, I did do a little messing around in the kitchen last night, just messing around with it before I came outside, but I feel pretty comfortable. But as you can see, we got a big open field behind me, so we're gonna get out here and see if we can get it in the sport mode. There we go. All right. There we go. We're up. All right. We're flying. We're gonna bring it right back to me. All right, so now I'm gonna fly over it. Beautiful horizon. All right, now we'll go over the soccer field. And as you can see, the H is where we took off at. We'll hover for a second. All right, so now we're gonna switch it over to sport mode. So right now it's just chilling right there. But now we're gonna put it in the sport mode. We're gonna take it out. I got it locked in place so it won't move. Kayla, can you just put it up there? So it's locked in place. Now I can unlock it, and now I can bring it down. So now, I'm gonna put the headset back on, tighten that up, so we can go, now we're in sport mode. All right. We are rolling. All right, we're over the skate park. Guys skating. And I will take that out of sport mode. And then we'll come on. There we are. And Kayla, wave to the camera. There we go. All right. Now we'll put it back in sport mode, and we'll get another kind of just like a takeoff. We'll do a low fly. Go. Guys, cover. We got the ollie. So not only we'll take that out of sport mode, and then you can do, so you can just get a nice view of the horizon right there, or you can just kind of feather it is what I learned. If you want to just kind of pan around, you just kind of barely touch the trigger and float your wrist. In, and then we're gonna come on in, Kayla, and we're gonna do a flip. $20, 15 feet. It's telling me you're getting low. All right. All right, so now we're about to go ahead and just land it. We are 1.1 foot off the ground. So you can fly this joker low. And I'm gonna set it on down. So, first flight of my DJI Avata 2. I'm liking it a lot already. And that was just the first flight out here in clear area. I never felt like I was in risk. Flew it low, flew it high, flew it fast. So if you're new to the channel, you will definitely see more drone footage. You'll see car footage, motorcycle footage. But like I say, we like to do everything. That's why it's called Guys Doing Things. So first time to the channel, hey, check out our old videos. If you like it, click subscribe button, you know, hit the like. We love that to help the algorithm. And if you feel like leaving a comment to help me fly this thing better or teach me some tricks about it, please do. All right, peace.